Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired February 9th, 2026. The topic of that episode was The Secret of the Healing Ministry. Swami, your insights.
The secret of spiritual healing is divine truth in consciousness. Divine truth in consciousness resolves things into thoughts and exchanges the objects of sense for the idea of soul.
Looking for scientific healing? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam